Today, I want to talk about e-commerce web development and what it involves developing the technical aspects of your e-commerce website, how it functions, accepts payments, behaves in response to a user action, and appears aesthetically. Hey guys, welcome to Creative, where we help athletes, sports marketers, and those athletic business owners learn how to build lasting legacies beyond the game. Every Tuesdays and Thursdays, we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. Today, we're discussing the 101s of custom e-commerce website development. We'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. So let's talk about the 101s of custom e-commerce sites. With the rise in custom e-commerce web development and online retail stores globally, there are many exciting web development trends to consider. For example, using video for promotional content and sales can foster a better user experience on computers, tablets, and even mobile devices. Online stores have also employed artificial intelligence, AI technologies, to expand the online retail sector and provide better deals to customers with more advancements in the e-commerce website's design. At the very beginning, e-commerce website development involves developing the technical aspects of your e-commerce website and how it functions, accepts payments, and of course behaves with user actions in that aesthetic flow. So as we get into the foundations of the e-commerce web development, from the foundations to benefits and outsourcing and even partnerships with software companies. Let's first talk about the foundation of online retail and internet commerce. There are an estimated 12 million active e-commerce websites worldwide. With all that competition, it's easy to get lost in the crowd. The key to standing out with your online store is to create a high quality custom store to give your customers a unique experience. Consumers shop online and want all the features to be easily accessible, intuitive, and functional. In short, custom e-commerce development is what gives customers the experience they need. Custom e-commerce website development involves the technical aspects of your e-commerce website, from how it functions to how it accepts payment, behaves in response to the user actions, and how it appears aesthetically. In 2022, the e-commerce website platform, e-commerce companies, online stores, e-commerce sites, and online business industry will be valued at over 11 billion. And the software development industry opens the door for business owners to launch user-friendly websites and solve their most pressing e-commerce challenges. So if you're just starting out or you're ready to take that next stage, what do you need to know prior to jumping in? Well, when it comes to building out your e-commerce website, there are a few different options. If you're interested in an innovative shopping platform, it's best to build an e-commerce website from scratch. This includes hiring a creative and web design agency, a development agency that has the ability to do custom development and assist with the processes of developing that store. Open source e-commerce platforms are solutions to modify all aspects of the code. You can build your e-commerce websites and/or e-commerce project and custom e-commerce solutions from scratch with few to no customization limits. Remember that using an open source solution often means that your e-commerce website's business has business requirements and is responsible for any website hosting, manual patches, security, and updates. For this reason, some e-commerce website brands may view open source as too cumbersome, expensive, and tech-heavy, especially as your business grows and the complexity of your e-commerce website increases. Many online stores just don't have the development budget or website development resources to invest in entirely custom web development solutions. The good news is many SaaS solutions are cost effective if you're just starting out, easy to use, and replace the need for costly e-commerce website development services and a custom solution. SaaS, SaaS, is a subscription-based solution built and maintained by a third-party vendor. It may be hosted on the cloud and an on-demand data storage. Instead of custom solutions, SaaS enables businesses to bypass the complex development process and go to market quickly and affordably. So with both these options, let's kind of weigh what the benefits are for a custom e-commerce solution. On that other note, there are many benefits of custom e-commerce web development. For one, you can invest in your brand awareness and e-commerce SEO strategies and other online marketing to create stronger relationships with your target audience. SEO optimization is essential for online stores, from keyword research to organic search and link optimization. Suppose you optimize your e-commerce website according to local SEO best practices and user experience tactics. In that case, you are more likely to increase your search engine rankings on Google, which means more organic search traffic, more significant optimization for website traffic, more sales, and increased brand awareness. So how do you know who to hire for your website build? Well, for one, their skill set must align with what you need. They must understand the e-commerce website design or build that for you, and have in mind and excel in front-end optimization and back-end development. Online shoppers want a simple and intuitive interface with clear call to actions, an easily accessible shopping cart, and marketing tools that make your brand, products, and services comprehensive and straightforward. Shockingly, 88% of online shoppers say they wouldn't return to a website after a bad user experience. And 70% of online businesses that fail to do so because of bad usability. This is a critical thing to know. After all, without happy customers, you won't have sales, which means your business fails. The best way to ensure your e-commerce web development team provides a better user experience on your site is by hiring one with experience designing and developing for e-commerce businesses specifically. Some e-commerce web development services excel at front end with beautifully designed interfaces and well thought through user experience. In contrast, others excel in back end customization and technical implementation, which benefits your internal sales, automations with your team, warehouse, and your marketing team. For example, you might be interested in e-commerce SEO. Your developer would need to have an excellent understanding of metadata, tags, and links required to reach a superior SEO score on Google and other search engines. Here are some of the top elements to consider when developing your custom online store. Mobile responsive. Is it viewed the same on all mobile devices? Shopping cart design. Is the shopping cart intuitive enough for purchase? Your product filtering, PCI compliance and web security, multiple payment option gateways, SEO. Is there any sort of content management system in the back end? Is there ability for customer feedback? So what are some other e-commerce functionalities to consider? Well, The various features and functionalities you might consider incorporating into your e-commerce website vary greatly based on your unique business model, strategy, and the wants and needs of your consumer. This is known as your why. It is helpful to consider creating a list of critical features your e-commerce website must have. These must come back to your vision and the goals or stepping stones you'll take to get you there. They should also be closely aligned with your customer life cycle, the process of prospects becoming aware of a product, making a purchase from a brand, and ideally becoming a company's long-time customer. The process comprises 5 stages: reach, acquisition, conversion, retention, and loyalty. An easy way to determine what features you need on your e-commerce website is to move from general to specific. List all the general must-haves, such as preferred payment gateways or marketplace integrations. Add extras that your business needs, like automatic sales tax and shipping rate calculation. Prioritize all the nice to haves from a list of 1 to 10, with 1 being a crucial feature for driving revenue and 10 as a handy add-on that could improve day-to-day operations, making internal processes more efficient, which also affects your bottom line. Some of your SEO capabilities. Search engine optimization is a distribution strategy for your written content and essentially an aspect of your e-commerce design and user flow. Ranking highly on Google and other search engines for relevant keywords and clusters can help drive traffic to your site from relevant users searching online for products and services your business offers. SEO can organically deliver you potential clients with high user intent who are more likely to convert, making SEO traffic more cost-effective and provide more retail sales. Your site speed seems easy enough, right? But you may have heard these e-commerce developers discussing site speed. Essentially, this is how fast your website and web pages load, how responsive the website is to user actions, and how functional and pleasant the user experience is overall. According to a study by Amazon, the bounce rate increases dramatically with every second added to a landing page's load time. Fast loading sites are also a significant plus for SEO since Amazon, Google, and other search engines include site speed as a ranking component. This is why you must consider hiring web developers who are highly skilled and know how to optimize your e-commerce store to be functional, attractive, and fast loading for your target audience. Finding the right content management system. A content management system is critical for any e-commerce website. It houses dynamic content, including blog posts, visual elements, multimedia content, and other design elements. A CMS allows business brand owners to change old content, repurpose content, write new content, and more. The updates and additions are automatically reflected on a brand's e-commerce website. It is a highly intuitive and user-friendly addition to a custom e-commerce website that makes brand management easier. The way your payments and checkout functionality work on your e-commerce site. E-commerce websites must boost every payment option from Apple Pay, credit cards, maybe even now cryptocurrency. Studies show that flexible and seamless payment options speed up the decision-making process for 9 out of 10 shoppers, prompting them to make rash decisions and spend more. That's right, users spend more. Therefore, it's crucial that your e-commerce platform can integrate with multiple payment gateways. Developing an online e-commerce store means dealing with sensitive data, such as customer addresses, credit card numbers, and other payment information. As an e-commerce brand owner, you are responsible for keeping this information safe and protected. Therefore, ensure your custom e-commerce website developer understands the ins and outs of security to keep your e-commerce businesses online safe and secure. Let's get into integrations. Face it, no e-commerce platform will come with every feature you want natively. You'll need to rig it or make sure your platform enables you to customize your site by offering a crapload of plugins or integrations with the solutions you and your customers want and need. Consider each e-commerce solution and what it provides to you and your consumer, from social media integrations to recommended products based on your shopping carts, shipping software integrations, accounting management systems, customer support software, and a multi-channel inventory. There are many integrations. It all depends on your specific strategy and consumer needs. In addition to your online store, remember that users also want a mobile-friendly option. Communicate this to your developer and ensure they create a seamless experience for your user, whether on a computer, tablet, or even a mobile device. I'd love to open the comment section now to discuss web integrations. Think about the type of e-commerce website you want your brand to have or grow upon, and let's discuss below in the comments. This will be a helpful tool as we begin to build a community of creatives centered around a common theme: building legacy brands. Next, how do you consider outsourcing via an agency? There are many factors to consider when hiring an internal team versus an outsourcing via an agency for your custom e-commerce store. For one, you must understand your business goals. You can't proceed to sell products online until you know your vision, beginning with your why. Why do you want to sell online? To attract more business and increase sales? How do you plan to make this a reality? Ask yourself the following questions. Will you use your e-commerce business as an avenue for direct-to-consumer sales? Do you want to drive online traffic to supplement brick-and-mortar operations? Do you want to expand a B2C business to a B2B business, or vice versa? Apart from your primary goals, think in terms of e-commerce metrics. What's your plan for growing a customer's lifetime value? How many products do you plan to sell? And what kind of growth would you like to see post-launch? How will you measure it? For example, what's your weekly online sales volume goal? Do you plan to sell locally, nationally as well? Next, you must understand the intended shopping experience. What kind of online shopping experience do you want to provide to your customers? Some of the unique features you may want to consider include enabling your customers to filter search results by size, color, price, tags, etc. The ability to compare products side by side, offering an optimized one-page checkout experience, and promotions, discounts, and other types of offers that don't pop out or be intrusive to the user. With these in mind, you can better determine whether an agency or internal team will provide better e-commerce solutions for developing your online store. You must also understand your e-commerce website design, goals for your online business, budget, time, resources, and even your branding and your voice. So, what's next? If you need an optimized e-commerce website to sell your products 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, interview web developers who can help you discover the best ways to sell your products online through your e-commerce store. At the very beginning, e-commerce website development involves developing the technical aspects of your e-commerce website and how it functions, accepts payments, behaves in response to a user action, and the overall aesthetic and flow. From the foundation to benefits, outsourcing, and partnerships with web development teams leap and elevate your new or existing e-commerce business. We hope you guys loved today's video. And if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can help change the game, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now, this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.